Gas grills are undeniably convenient and easy to use, which makes them a prime choice if you're searching for a portable grill. As long as you have a small liquid propane tank in tow, you'll be able to cook up delicious food while tailgating, camping, or hanging out at the beach. No need to lug along charcoal or worry about finding an electrical outlet. Portable gas grills come in many shapes and sizes, including freestanding and tabletop models, and as you shop, you'll want to consider factors like how much they weigh and how much cooking space they offer.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best portable grill for backyard. So let's get started. Number 5. Pit Boss Grill's Portable Grill. Pit Boss has a hard-won reputation for producing user-friendly grills suitable for all experience levels. How does this twin-burner grill stand and fall? The first thing that strikes you is the robust stainless steel build extending throughout. A couple of stainless steel burners offer a combined heat output of 10,000 BTU, and you'll be free to create a pair of heating zones, ideal for grilling different foods simultaneously. Weighing less than 30 pounds, this compact grill will fit easily into the trunk of your car, and you won't break your back when you're shifting it from the trunk to the campsite either. Seamless push-button electronic ignition gets things going to a confident and first-time start, and you can then control this grill much more easily than you could a charcoal alternative. As an added kicker, you won't end up generating the same mess as you would cooking with charcoal either. Number 4. NOMADIQ Portable Propane Grill. NOMADIQ might not be the first name that springs to mind when you're thinking of grill specialists, but this compact yet spacious grill is well worth popping on your shortlist. The rugged stainless steel build belies the budget pricing, and you should get several grilling seasons out of this propane-fueled gem. Weighing just 12 pounds, this is one of the lightest travel grills you'll find. Whether you're heading out camping, in the RV, or taking a boat trip, this multi-purpose grill means nobody will go hungry. Twin 5,000 BTU burners allow you to create 2 independent cooking zones, and you can control each of these separately. As with all propane gas grills, manipulating the temperature on this thing is super simple. If you dislike all the hassle you think comes hand in glove with grilling, you'll appreciate the near-instant assembly this grill affords you. Number 3. Weber Travel Portable Grill. Weber is a dominant presence in the portable grill vertical, and this travel model shows why their grills fly off the shelves the world over. To lead off with the main drawback of this grill, you will get just one burner. If this might prove prohibitive and you prefer the flexibility of a multi-burner grill, explore some of the many alternatives we review today boasting more than one heating zone. The oversized grilling area provides you with enough space for over a dozen burgers, so nobody will go hungry when you're grilling, and you won't need to make endless small batches of food either, a common compromise with portable grills. The default setting for this grill is for a 16-ounce liquid propane canister. If you prefer cooking out at home or on the campsite using a 20-pound propane tank, you'll need to pick up the adapter hose separately, along with a tank of LP. Number 2. Coleman RoadTrip Portable Grill. Coleman makes some outstanding portable grill solutions, including this cart-style model boasting a spacious total cooking surface set against a space-saving form factor. The foldable legs mean you can easily set this grill up or disassemble it without needing any DIY skills, and without needing to break out the toolbox. There are also wheels to simplify transportation, and these lock into place for a stable base of operations. You get a thermometer baked into this grill, although you may want to use a third-party thermometer as well when you're grilling. Like all integrated thermometers, the accuracy of the unit bundled is questionable. There are 3 burners to ensure you get consistent and even grilling across the whole spacious grilling surface. You can control the temperature of these heating zones independently for maximum versatility. The total heating output is rated at 20,000 BTU, placing this grill among the strongest performers in its class in this area. Number 1. Weber Liquid Propane Grill. First in line and our overall favorite in today's showcase of the best portable gas grills comes from industry specialist Weber. How does this little unit stack up, then? The body of the grill is made from a lightweight aluminum, and you get the cast iron cooking grates you need for optimum grilling. These are treated with porcelain enamel to improve heat conduction while minimizing food splatter. There is just one burner in place on this grill. It kicks out more than enough firepower for grilling at lower heats, but we found some complaints from consumers about the performance of this grill at higher temperatures. You benefit from 2 tables for prepping or serving food, and these fold neatly out of the way when not in use. As with all portable gas grills, you get a user-friendly experience that's also ideally suited for beginners to the art of grilling. The seamless push-button ignition means you won't be fumbling for matches or a lighter, and you'll always fire the grill up first time. That was our list of the top 5 best portable grill for backyard just for you.